Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I want to talk to you today about something that was bugging me that I had to just try and find and research. Apple AirPods. By the way, I love these things. These are amazing. I work out with them every morning and I'm a sweater, so excuse me. So even though these are not water resistant, I've been using these since, it's at least 6 months, and they haven't died on me or anything of that nature, but I have had a few problems. So sometimes when I put it back in the case, they don't charge, or while I'm listening to it, it just stops. And that's happened maybe 4 or 5 times since I've had them. And when I first got them, all I had to do was reset it. And okay, they start working again. It wasn't a big deal. But then that didn't work anymore. And this green stuff started to form at the bottom. And I never looked down here because, I'm like, oh, it's because I'm sweating, so it must be something up here but yeah, green stuff starts to form down here. And I found on Reddit, okay, all you need to do is use a Q-tip and clean it out. Just use a Q-tip and clean it out. And they'll start charging again and they'll start working again. I guess it's buildup. I don't know where it's from, but yeah, that's what's been happening to me. And once I found a cure, that's not the right word, a fix for it, I want to share it with you guys because it took me a while I was trying all type of different stuff, but yeah, that worked for me. So I hope that helps you guys to figure out how to make your AirPods start working again, or just how to clean them as well so that they keep functioning. It's just that green stuff at the bottom. I don't know what the green stuff is again, but use a Q-tip, get it out, and they start working again. So yeah, that was a really quick video. I hope that helped you. Have an amazing day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Yeah, they're great. Really are. Love these things.